Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. We've analyzed their features, performance, and value to give you the ultimate breakdown. If you're looking to keep your pool sparkling clean this summer, you won't want to miss this. All the product links are in the description below. So let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Winnie Pool Cleaner 2025 Upgrade. If you're looking for an affordable yet efficient option, this is it. With a price tag of just $89.99, this budget-friendly cleaner is perfect for above-ground pools up to 645 square feet. It features a dual-stage filtration system that traps everything from fine silt to leaves, ensuring crystal-clear water. The cordless design avoids tangles, and its self-parking feature adds a layer of convenience. While it lasts for 75 minutes on a 3 to 4 hour charge, it's best suited for smaller pools with flat or gently sloped bottoms. On the design side, it's compact, lightweight, and comes in a unique transparent blue finish. At only 7.26 pounds, removing it from the pool is hassle-free, and the included hook adds extra portability. However, it's worth noting that this model isn't designed for walls or steep inclines, so stick to flat-bottomed pools for the best performance. Overall, the Winnie Pool Cleaner is an excellent entry-level option for those on a budget. It's perfect for smaller, above-ground pools and delivers great value for its price. Just keep in mind its limitations, and you'll have a reliable cleaner for your pool. Coming in at number 4 is the Heine's Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This mid-range option is ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pools, and boasts an impressive runtime of 150 minutes on a single charge. With a high-capacity 9,000 milliamp battery, it can cover up to 2,200 square feet, making it perfect for larger pools. The 40-watt motor powers dual brushes to remove sand, leaves, and fine debris from the pool floor, while its dual-layer filtration system improves cleaning efficiency by 50%. The design of the Heine's cleaner is both durable and portable. At 13.97 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and ease of use, and its compact size means it can be stored easily. It's also equipped with IPX8 waterproofing for reliable underwater operation. However, while it excels at floor cleaning, it doesn't climb walls or clean water lines, so it's best suited for simpler pool layouts. Priced at $143.99, the Heine's cleaner offers a great combination of performance and affordability. It's an excellent choice for pool owners looking for an efficient cleaner that can handle larger spaces without breaking the bank. Just note that it's primarily designed for floor cleaning, so if walls and water lines are a priority, you might want to look higher up the list. At number 3, we have the Boobot 300P from BooBlue. This cleaner packs a lot of advanced features into its sleek silver design. Powered by Bluehole Tech, it delivers 2x the suction power, making it highly effective at removing debris, leaves, and sand from above-ground pools up to 850 square feet. DirtLock Tech ensures no leaks during cleanup, and the device self-parks near the pool edge when the battery runs low, adding a layer of convenience. With a runtime of 90 minutes, it's a dependable choice for medium-sized pools. The Boobot 300P is designed for ease of use and durability. It has a cordless design, meaning no tangled wires, and the 4-color LED indicator keeps you informed about its status. At 10 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to lift out of the pool. And the quick drain feature eliminates leftover water in just 5 seconds. While it excels in efficiency, it's worth noting that it's only suitable for flat-bottomed pools and cannot climb walls. Priced at $159.28, the Boobot 300P offers cutting-edge technology at a reasonable price. It's an ideal pick for pool owners who prioritize powerful suction and hassle-free maintenance for their above-ground pools. Just make sure your pool fits its specifications, and you'll be good to go. In the runner-up spot, we have the Wybot C1, a highly versatile cleaner designed for in-ground pools. This 4-in-1 robotic cleaner handles floors, walls, water lines, and even stairs, thanks to its triple motor system and enhanced climbing power. It can tackle pools up to 1,614 square feet and lasts for an impressive 150 minutes on a single charge. Its Smart Navigation 3.0 allows for app control, so you can customize cleaning routes or switch to auto mode for seamless operation. The C1 is built to deliver deep cleaning with its dual PVC brushes and powerful suction, lifting debris, leaves, and algae from various surfaces including tile, mosaic, and glass. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the top-load filter basket, which traps fine debris efficiently. At 22 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but its robust performance compensates for the extra weight. Priced at $419.99, the Robotic C1 is a premium choice for pool owners who want maximum flexibility and cutting-edge technology. It's perfect for in-ground pools with complex layouts, and the app support adds a modern touch. If you're looking for a high-end cleaner without hitting the top price bracket, this is the one to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Robotic C2, the best of the best when it comes to robotic pool cleaners in 2025. Designed for in-ground pools up to a massive 2,512 square feet, this cleaner is a powerhouse of performance. With dual filters and triple motors, it scrubs floors, walls, and water lines with ease. Its advanced navigation technology ensures complete pool coverage, and the 180-minute runtime in Eco mode is unmatched. The C2 even features 7 cleaning modes and 6 path planning options, giving you unparalleled control over how your pool is cleaned. The build quality is top-notch, with a sleek, deep black and green design. It's also surprisingly lightweight for its capabilities, at 23.1 pounds. The dual filtration baskets, including an ultra-fine 10-micrometer filter, ensure crystal-clear water by trapping even the smallest particles. Its wall-climbing ability and waterline cleaning make it the most versatile cleaner on this list. At $522.99, the Robotic C2 is a premium investment, but it's worth every penny for those who want the ultimate pool cleaning experience. If you have a large or complex pool and want a cleaner that can do it all, the Robotic C2 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy swimming, and I'll see you in the next video.